Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a reaction speed test in Java. So what it is basically we're making a code and all it asks for is all it does is tells you wait for it, and then it just gives a random time to go, and then when it goes you press space, no space, enter, and then yeah, you have to do it as fast as you can. It's a reaction test. Alright, so let's get started. So let's do package Java 16, and now let's do import java.util.scanner. Okay, and we put this here. Now let's bring this down, and we'll bring this back. We'll bring this under the I, and we can start the code. But before we do that, you also need to type throws here after the code, and then do interrupted, and then we'll do exception. Okay, now we put a space here, then we can start. Alright, so first we will delete this and do scanner s equals new scanner, and then we'll do system.in. Okay, alright, now next up is system.out.println, and then what we'll type is wait for it. And then we'll just you can customize this part if you want, but it's just basically a wait for it message. So that's all it is. Alright, so I'll just put this little face here for waiting. Okay, what we'll do next is do Fred. Don't forget to capitalize this part. Okay, Fred dot sleep, and then we'll do this int, and then we'll do math dot random, and then we'll put this here. Okay, and then we'll do times here, 3000 here. Okay, and then we'll do plus 2000 here. Okay, here we will do system.out.println, and then we'll type now press and then we'll just do this. I'll just put this here. You can edit this part a bit. Okay, and then after that we'll don't forget to put this here, and Wait, let me just put this. Now press enter. Okay. Now we'll do long wait, okay. Long start equals system dot current, and then we'll do time millis. So it's current time milliseconds. Okay. Then we'll do s dot next line. Here. Alright. We'll do long end equals, we'll just copy this code here. Okay, then here we'll type system.out.println reaction time colon here plus end and minus and start here. Okay, then we'll do plus, and then we'll put a space here because like we didn't like do this. Wait, so like you can put a space here before this, or you can put a space after this, or it's entirely up to you. Okay, so I'll just like do this. I'll just put it for both of them. So yeah, I guess that's it. We'll do s.close, and we'll close this code off. Okay, now select all, right click, run as one Java application, press OK, wait for it. Now as soon as you see this, you press. Wait. Ooh. So if you do that, it won't really like tell you a reaction test. It'll just like be for fun, but you can try this again. So as soon as it says go, click. Ooh, I did 2 milliseconds. So you guys can like test your reaction speed here, and you can even tech check like how your keyboard is doing and like all that. And yeah, I guess that's the purpose of this. You can also use this for fun and play this with your friends. I know I have done many reaction tests in my life. I have played them and they are pretty fun. So I hope you enjoy this lesson and you get to use this sometime. So thank you guys for watching today's basic lesson about making a reaction test in Java. I hope this helps you somehow. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more educational videos about different stuff. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.